Hello and welcome. Today at Klecker Knives we'll be learning about the klax lumberjack, the world's first hand tool that can make its own handle and become an axe without any added material. Every klax comes with a ballistic nylon sheath. This sheath provides two carry options. The first is a belt loop on the back of the sheath. The Velcro closure at the top allows for easy access to your klax. Opening back here provides quick use of the carabiner so you can easily attach it to a strap or loop. As we take it out, the first thing to notice is the extra knife blade. This feature is useful as a hand tool for stripping branches and for scraping. When using the klax as a hand tool, grip the back end of the klax with your hand positioned behind the finger guard and your thumb on the top jimping. The knife edge has a 24-degree included angle, which is even sharper than a typical kitchen knife. The primary blade is also very sharp. A typical axe head has a 50 to 60 degree beveled edge, but the klax is closer to 40 degrees to help counter the head's reduced weight when chopping. And when held downward, the axe blade can also be used as an ulu blade. The third blade on the klax is the cutting hook. It works well for cutting leather, rope, or paracord. In a pinch, it can also be used as a gut hook. It also functions as a bottle opener. Some unique features include a wrench set, a 1/4-inch hex bit driver. On the back you'll find an English or a metric ruler, a hammerhead, and the lanyard hole. Let's head outside and I'll show you how to attach a handle to the klax using our patent-pending clamping system. The prefabricated handle has several benefits over a field-made handle. It's easier to mount and unmount. It has a mounting pin that adds rigidity, and it requires less periodic tightening, making the klax more effective. The first thing you'll want to do is unseat the clamps. Push up and twist the back clamp so that it locks into place. Then unscrew the front clamp with the rotating knob until you can twist it into its locking position. I like to reseat the clamp back into a locked position before I mount the handle. Slide the klax down the slot and screw the front clamp into place by turning the knob. Make sure the clamps rest within the notches on the handle. This helps to ensure the head is securely fastened to the handle. You wouldn't want it coming loose when you were chopping. Hit the hammerhead at the back of the klax on a wood surface. Then retighten the clamps to seat the axe head for a secure fit. No matter how tight you screw the clamps initially, you will need to periodically tighten the head as you use it. This isn't because the clamps are loosening, it's because the wood compresses. Every time you chop with the klax, the wood handle is going to compress. This happens simply because the wood is softer than metal. Before we finish up, here's some notes to keep in mind. To ensure the klax works well with our traditional handle, as well as a field-made handle, we've added some tolerance to this system, so a slight rattling sound is perfectly normal. Don't hit the back of the klax head with steel of any sort, only wooden tools. Thanks for watching Klax Lumberjack Basics. In the next video I'll be showing you how to make a handle from a branch, so stay tuned. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to see our new products as they roll out. Have a great day.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.